If you're looking for the best project management software in 2026, you've probably noticed there are dozens of options available. Some are built for small teams, others for large businesses, and some focus on software development. But if I had to recommend just a few, these are some of the best project management tools you should consider this year. Let's get started. The first recommendation is Asana has remained one of the most popular project management platforms for years, and for good reason. Offers an incredibly clean interface, making it easy to organize projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and monitor progress. One of Asana's biggest strengths is collaboration. Team members can comment on tasks, share files, receive notifications, and keep everyone updated in one place. Asana also includes timeline views, Kanban board, Calendar's workload management, and AI-powered features that help automate repetitive tasks. If your team values simplicity, organization, and productivity, Asana is one of the strongest choices available in 2026. The second recommendation is ClickUp. It's designed to be an all-in-one productivity platform. It combines project management documents, goals time, tracking dashboards, and team communication inside a single application. One of its biggest advantages is customization. You can build workflows that match your team's exact needs. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns, software development, or personal projects, ClickUp also includes powerful AI tools that can summarize meetings, generate content, and help organize work much faster. For teams that want maximum flexibility, ClickUp is an excellent option. The third recommendation is Monday.com. Monday.com focuses on visual project management. Its colorful dashboard, easy-to-read boards, and automation features make it especially popular among businesses. You can track projects, manage employees, monitor deadlines, build custom workflows without needing technical experience. The platform also offers AI features that help automate repetitive work, generate summaries, and improve productivity across different departments. It's a great choice for companies managing multiple projects at the same time. Now let's compare them. If you want the easiest platform to learn, Asana is probably the best choice. If you want the most powerful all-in-one workspace, ClickUp offers incredible flexibility. And if you prefer visual dashboards, automation, and business workflows, Monday.com is an excellent option. Now let's be honest, there isn't one perfect project management tool for everyone. The best software depends on your team size, your workflow, and the type of projects you manage. Fortunately, all three platforms offer free plans or free trials, so you can test them before making a decision. So to summarize, the best project management software in 2026 includes Asana, ClickUp, and Monday. Each one offers excellent task management, team collaboration, automation, and productivity features, because honestly, the best project management software isn't the one with the most features. It's the one your entire team actually enjoys using every single day.